Selling credit-based products is super easy with WooCredit Pro. Setup is quick and easy and can be done in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Select the product type. In this example we will use a simple product. Step 2. Enter the price for your product. Step 3. Select credit purchase and enter a credit value. This is the amount of credit the customer will pay and will be deducted from their credit balance. When your settings are entered, you can hit update and your product is now ready to let your customer purchase it with their credit balance. You may wish to allow customers to only purchase this product with credit. If so, you can set the settings in the WooCredit Pro payment gateway to a credit-only store. You may also choose to allow customers to instantly purchase the credit product and bypass the shopping cart altogether. Get WooCredit Pro now at fastflow.io/FWC Pro.